Welcome to Kitchen Basics with dinnertimesomewhere.com. Today we're showing you how to peel and devein shrimp. Hold the shrimp with both hands, twisting and pulling the head to remove. Peel the legs and shells off, moving down the length of the shrimp from the head to the tail. The heads and shells make amazing stock, so place them in a separate bowl, away from the intestinal tract we're about to remove, if you want to use them in the future. We're leaving the tail on for our preparation, but it's easy to remove the same way as the rest of the shells if needed. To remove the vein, take your knife and hold it against the vein with your thumb. Hold and gently pull away from the shrimp and it should come away in one go. Discard. Keeping your technique the same for the second shrimp. Twist and pull on the head to remove, and peel the legs and the shells from the shrimp. In this instance, we're using banana prawns, but this method will work for all medium to large size shrimp. Again, removing the vein should be simple. Hold and pull it out in one motion from the shrimp. And there you have it, 2 perfectly peeled and deveined shrimp. Please like, follow, or subscribe to our newsletter at dinnertimesomewhere.com.